Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can create a perfect character sheet for character consistency in all your images and furthermore in your videos as well. So I'm going to show you how you can actually create this character sheet that you can see on the screen, which I have created from the single reference image. And you can do same thing for any of your characters. You can see here I have created for this as well. So we are going to do for two, for this duck as well and for this samurai as well. So you can actually know how you can do it, and you can see the character sheet that I have used here for the character consistency, and it creates some really amazing videos as well. So let me just show you the cling video that I have created with this as well. So you can see here the character consistency is really good, and you can also use the character consistency here as well by using the multi-shot feature. But let's just start with the image here. And first of all, in order to create a perfect character consistency, you need to have a full body shot of front facing of the character, or something like in a perspective shape. You can decide whichever you want. So you can create that with the help of any AI image generation tools. It can be Midjourney, Nano Banana, whatever you like. I have created this with the help of Chat GPT. So now let's just create this. So for that, I'm going to use here what we say Higgsfield, but you can use any AI tools or any AI platform that you prefer. Let's just drag and drop it here. So I'm going to use this as character reference, and I'm going to paste this prompt. And what is this prompt exactly? So it's basically a 9:16 vertical portrait canvas. So you need to make sure that you are into 9:16. And canvas structure is basically like this, that top 55% section. So this is dedicated to basically left side, which is a one large photo you can see here as well. And second part will be having like two columns of 3 rows of front facing 3/4 and all that stuff. Middle section will be your what we say a character sheet from front, back in T pose. Then you can see downwards as well, that there are multiple poses here. And this is basically a lighting consistency that I have created. I will link this prompt in the description in the first comment, and I'm going to pin it. You can directly copy paste it from there, or I'm going to either have a Word file as well. So let's just start now. And now you can generate it by just clicking on generate here. Now you can use any model that you want, a image model. Here we are going to use two models here. First is Nano Banana 2, and second one that I'm going to use is Chat GPT Image 2 as well. But I'm going to make sure that it's also in 2K here, and I'm just going to click on generate. So let's just wait for a bit and let's just see what exactly we get. And you can create this reference sheet for any character, as I told you before as well. Yeah, so you can do the same thing for this as well. So I can just drag and drop it here, and I don't need to change the prompt here because prompt is a general prompt. Now, yeah, this is a premium Hollywood film style sheet. So if you want like a game sheet, you can write it here. If you want like a editorial sheet, like a photography editorial, you can write it here as well. It totally depends on you what you want. So you can see here, this is how a Nano Banana 2 has generated the character prompt sheet, and this is looking really good here. You can see the details and all that stuff, and yeah, this is looking nice. You can see his clothes have somewhat been changed, so it now feels really natural compared to this, because ChatGPT tends to sharpen the image a lot. You can see the result, the difference between this and this feels a lot more realistic. Let's just do same thing for this as well, but I'm going to use Nano Banana 2 because I am using this for photorealistic results. And let's just click on generate. Till this is getting generated, let's just have a situation where the samurai is walking in the city, cyberpunk city or something like that. So let's just try the character consistency prompt. Let's just create a right click and copy image here. I'm going to paste the image here. I'm going to write here, this is my samurai character sheet. Give me a detailed Nano Banana to prompt to create a scene where this samurai is walking in the cyberpunk city. Okay, rest details you can decide. I want a photorealistic result. Okay, and you can just press enter. So this is going to give you a detailed Nano Banana 2 prompt for your samurai walking in the cyberpunk, and you can have your own story as well. If you have your own story, you can try with that as well. So you can see the scene title is really good, The Last Ronin of Neo Koito. So from Tokyo it's Koito. Okay, so you can see here as well, this is the prompt that you can use, and we can directly copy paste it from here, and you can have the negative prompt as well. So let's just copy and paste it out. Let's just do Control C, and let's just go here. And now how you can use this, it's really easy. You can see the difference as well. This is Nano Banana 2 and this is Chat GPT Images 2. You can feel that this feels a lot more natural. This feels good, but it feels a lot more sharpen here. It feels like a game here. It feels like a movie. So you can decide. You can see here as well. We have this duck as well, ducky. So this is looking nice as well. Now let's just start here. So what is my proper workflow? I can tell you, I go from 2D image to 3D image using ChatGPT Images 2, and then I use basically a reference sheet, a prompt, but I use Nano Banana 2. So this is my journey of creating a perfect character sheet. You can have yours as well. Now let's just paste the prompt here, and I'm going to delete this, and let's just drag and drop it here. And now we are ready. Let's just change this from 9:16. Let's just keep it to 9:16 only, but you can go for a cinematic look as well. Let's just do two variations here. First, let's just have this here and let it just generate. And second one, I'm going to do here from 9:16 to 21:9 for like a film camera as well. So let's just generate that as well. And I will be back once this is generated. Now the result has been generated. You can see this is basically horizontal format of 21:9, and this is basically the second one that I have got here. This is looking really good, and I have used basically Nano Banana Pro for this one, and this I have used Nano Banana 2. You can see the character consistency, the clothes consistency, it's really good, and you can get some really consistent results. So this was a quick video on how you can actually generate characters with the perfect character consistency using the character sheet with the help of the method of Chat GPT Images 2 or Nano Banana 2. It depends upon you. So I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, please press that like button, share it with your friends, like this video, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye guys, take care.